CarStory research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock brakes, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive 2012 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.